Xiaomi makes wired earphones, wireless earphones and truly wireless earbuds. And in the recent Prime Day sale, they dropped the Mi Super Bass wireless headphones in India. Now, apart from Bluetooth 5.0 and a powerful bass, the most iconic thing about these headphones is the battery backup. Yes, 20 hours of playback on a single charge. At this price point, it's unprecedented. But how does it hold up in real life? Well, here's the TLTW version. The audio quality is decent, battery life is awesome, and it really gets uncomfortable after 45 minutes. And that's it. That's the whole review. But if that's not enough, here's a detailed look at this Mi wireless headphones. So the first thing you get in the box is the headphones, a micro USB charging cable, well, a Type-C would be more appreciated, but anyway, and then an aux cable, which means you can also use it as a regular headphones when the battery dies. Cool. Now, the design doesn't look promising in the pictures, but turns out it's pretty decent. So there's this cushion in the headband area, something that you don't see often at this price, and then the ear cups are on ear with a little bit of suspension. I will come to that later. The music controls are simple. You change the volume with these two. And this one is for pause and invoking the voice assistant on your phone. Now, talking about the audio quality, Xiaomi claims that the 40mm driver in this one will give you extra bass. And well, in my opinion, the bass is decent and so is the audio quality. I have seen better audio quality at this price point, like the Tag. But what I really like is there is little to no latency on this Bluetooth headphones. Yes, you can do a quick PUBG session while you're traveling. Now, I'm no fan of taking calls on Bluetooth headphones and earphones, and although this one also comes with a mic, it's just passable at best. The other party might have a hard time understanding you. There's also Bluetooth 5.0, which in theory will give you more coverage, better connectivity and battery life. Now, coming down to the most flaunted feature on this headphones, Xiaomi claims that these headphones can last 20 hours on a single charge, and well, in our limited testing, it turns out to be true. We never had to charge it. The battery is 90% after 3 hours of usage. In my opinion, the most important thing about any wireless headphones is comfort. Now, I'm not expecting QC35 level of comfort, but at the same time, it should not hurt my ears for at least 2 hours. And unfortunately, that's not the case here. You see, the problem is with on-ear design. They are not good with mild activity. A little shake in the head and they will fall off. They get really uncomfortable after an hour or so. And not to forget, they also leak noise in the environment, so you won't be able to listen to your Lady Gaga playlist in front of your colleagues. It's about time that companies should stop making on-ear headphones. The design is just too old and has a lot of flaws without any actual benefit. Now, just to have a bigger picture, let's compare it with some of the most popular wireless headphones at this price point, like Boat, Tag, Motorola, JBL and Sony, etc. And well, it can outperform most of them in audio quality and battery life, no doubt there. But I will still prefer Motorola for the comfort due to the over-ear design and Tag for its audio quality. So finally, who should buy this? Well, just like any Xiaomi product, these are good headphones under 2000 rupees, but definitely not the best. You see, the audio quality is decent, battery life is awesome, but it really gets uncomfortable after 45 minutes. So it should be fine for 40 minutes of commute or at gym, but definitely not for a long use at school, home or office. Alternatively, you can also take a look at Xiaomi wireless earphones, AirDots over here. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. It's been now signing off. Catch you guys later.